I was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself.
Hello everybody, I hope you're having a beautiful day. So it is week 4 of my 7-day challenge, and I have started consistently working out every single morning. And because of that, I decided for my 4th week, I will be doing a challenge to eat breakfast every single day. Because I'm waking up earlier to work out, it's very important to have something to eat right after my workout, and so that's going to be the challenge this week. If you'd like to get some breakfast ideas, then keep on watching.
I was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, right? This very finger for people like them. Oh no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now.
Hi everybody, so I'm running late. I gotta do this smoothie real quick. Let me show you what I'm gonna have in it. I've got oat milk. I'm gonna use 1 cup. Coconut yogurt. Banana so that it's frozen and creamy. Organic peanut butter. This has chunks in it. Chia seeds, flax seeds. Hemp hearts. Cacao nibs. A little bit of cacao powder. This is my first time making this type of smoothie, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out. It looks awesome. I'm just gonna add just a few ice cubes because I want it a little bit more cold. Little ones. Whoa. Here we go. I wanna see what it looks inside. I'm gonna put it in my cup. Ooh, there's my breakfast. Sweet. Cheers.
So wrap your arms around me like a borderline. Our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh.
This smoothie that I just made, I think this is the best one I've made this week. It's so delicious.
I was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, right? This very finger for people like them. Oh no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some inspiration from some of the breakfasts that I had. Stay tuned for my next 7-day challenge, and please join the 7-day challenge with me. Let's become our healthiest self. I'll see you in my next challenge video. Bye.